Hello, welcome back. In this lecture, we will be talking about opening SolidWorks for the first time. So in this class, my plan is to actually build the lecture upon the previous lecture. So that way we just keep building the layer, so that way you increase your knowledge as you go. So to start, when you click on the SolidWorks icon, it should bring you to this page. This is like the first opening page you see in SolidWorks. Couple of things to know on this page. There are that many things going on. I can just click on this screen and this moves in, and I can click back, it comes out, but I'll click on the screen just to hide it. And you have your menu bar up here, which is pretty much file. And when you open a new part, there will be more options under this, but to start, the options under them are limited. I'm pretty much going to show you what it looks like once we open a new file. So right here you have your new file, and right here you have an open, you have a save and print, but those are not highlighted yet because you haven't started anything. And right here you have your option. So couple of things you can do on this page. You can open your previous file you were working on, and you can start a new file, and you can go into your options. Couple of things you can do in the options is change the units, but we are going to be covering this in detail in the next lecture. So I just want to show you what this page looks like. And on this section over here you have the search option. It usually comes with the SolidWorks help, but I usually click on this drop down arrow and change it to search command. So when I'm in here, let's say there's a command you want but you don't know how to find it, you can type it in here, and as you can see, a list of command on that E would come up and you can pick the right one. Thank you, and I will see you in the next lecture. Bye.